Welcome guys. This is Redmi 14C model. With blade make space between back cover and body. Remove back cover with X-ray or with plastic paper. Remove all the screw. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove inner body. Remember, do not damage power flex which is connected to the board. Remove ringer buzzer from the body. Disconnect LCD flex connector and antenna wire. Remove charging port board. Install new charging port board in the body. Connect LCD flex connector and antenna wire. Install ringer buzzer in the body. Connect power button flex connector and install inner body. Put back all the screw. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Apply gum around the body on the place of back cover. Install back cover of the phone. Must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Thank you for watching.